Creating a harmonious living space often involves integrating natural elements into your home decor. One of the most accessible ways to do this is through simple wooden projects that enhance your environment. Nature has an inherent beauty that can inspire creativity and tranquility, making wood an ideal material for home decor. The warmth and texture of wood bring a comforting feel to any room, allowing for a seamless blend of style and nature. When embarking on wooden projects, it's essential to consider the overall aesthetic of your home. The beauty of wood lies in its versatility. It can be finished in various ways, from polished and sleek to rustic and raw. This adaptability enables you to create a range of decor styles, whether you prefer a modern minimalist look or a cozy farmhouse vibe. By selecting the right finish and treatment, you can enhance the natural grain and color of the wood, adding depth and character to your creations. Before diving into any project, it's important to gather inspiration. Nature itself can serve as a muse with its colors, textures, and forms. Take a walk in the woods or visit a local park. Observe how it interacts with other elements of nature. Pay attention to the shapes and patterns found in tree bark, branches, and leaves. This exploration can spark ideas for your projects, guiding you toward designs that resonate with the beauty of the natural world. Planning is a crucial step in the creative process. Consider the space where your wooden decor will reside. Think about the size, shape, and functionality of each piece. Will it serve a practical purpose or simply be an aesthetic addition? Outlining your ideas can help streamline the construction process and ensure that your final product harmonizes with your existing decor. This foresight can also prevent common pitfalls, such as choosing materials that don't complement your home style. As you begin crafting, remember that the journey is just as important as the destination. Embrace the tactile experience of working with wood. Feel its texture, smell its scent, and appreciate its weight. Each cut and carve tells a story, connecting you to the natural world. This hands-on approach fosters a deeper appreciation for the material and encourages mindfulness throughout the process. Safety should always be a priority when working on any project. Familiarize yourself with the tools you'll be using and ensure that you have proper safety gear. Using sharp tools requires caution and respect. Take your time while cutting, sanding, or assembling. A well-lit workspace can also enhance your focus, allowing you to work methodically and creatively without distractions. Sustainability is another important aspect to consider. When selecting wood for your projects, look for sustainably sourced materials. Many local suppliers offer reclaimed wood or certified, sustainably harvested options. By choosing eco-friendly materials, you not only contribute to environmental conservation, but also add unique character to your creations. Each piece of reclaimed wood carries its own history, telling tales of its previous life and adding depth to your home decor. Once your projects are complete, think about how to display them in your space. Arranging your wooden decor thoughtfully can create a focal point in any room. Consider utilizing shelves, mantels, or wall space to showcase your creations. Grouping multiple pieces can create visual interest, while varying heights and sizes can add dimension to your arrangements. The way you choose to display your work can transform a simple object into a conversation starter. Incorporating wooden decor into your home doesn't have to be limited to traditional styles. Experimenting with different forms and functions can lead to innovative designs. Consider combining wood with other materials like metal or fabric to create contrasts that enhance the visual appeal. This fusion can result in unique pieces that reflect your personal style and creative vision. As your confidence grows, consider involving family or friends in your projects. Crafting together can foster collaboration, allowing for the exchange of ideas and techniques. These shared experiences can strengthen bonds and create lasting memories, all while producing beautiful decor for your home. Teaching others the skills you've learned can also be rewarding, as you inspire them to explore their own creativity. Finally, remember that the beauty of wooden decor lies in its imperfections. Each flaw tells a story, reflecting the natural characteristics of the wood and the craftsmanship involved. Embrace the uniqueness of your creations, knowing that they add authenticity and charm to your home. This appreciation for imperfections mirrors life itself, where beauty often resides in the unexpected. As you embark on your journey of creating with nature, allow your imagination to flourish. The process of crafting wooden decor can be a meditative experience, connecting you to both your creative spirit and the earth. Each project not only beautifies your home, but also serves as a testament to your craftsmanship and love for nature. Take the time to enjoy every step from conception to completion, and let your home reflect the creativity that flows from your heart. Creating a warm and inviting home often begins with the incorporation of natural elements, and what stands out as a quintessential material for this purpose. The allure of wood lies in its organic beauty, rich textures, and varied hues, which can enhance any space. By engaging in simple wooden projects, you can transform your living environment into a sanctuary that reflects your personality and connection to nature. Before diving into crafting, take a moment to appreciate the beauty of your surroundings. Nature itself serves as an endless source of inspiration, offering colors and forms that can influence your designs. A walk in the woods can expose you to the various shades of bark, the intricate patterns of tree rings, and the organic shapes of branches. Observing these details can ignite your creativity and guide your project choices. Planning is essential to ensure that your wooden creations resonate with the overall aesthetic of your home. As you envision your projects, consider the space where they will be displayed. Will they serve a practical function, or are they purely decorative? This clarity allows you to select appropriate dimensions and styles, ensuring that your finished pieces enhance your living space while meeting your needs. The process of selecting wood is crucial. Look for materials that resonate with your vision. Reclaimed wood can add a sense of history and character, while sustainably sourced options promote environmental responsibility. By choosing quality materials, you not only ensure the longevity of your projects, but also contribute positively to the planet. This mindful approach can deepen your connection to your creations. Once you have your materials, it's time to dive into the crafting process. Embrace the tactile experience of working with wood. Feel its warmth and texture as you cut, sand, and shape it. Each action is an opportunity to express your creativity, allowing you to infuse your personality into your work. Take your time and enjoy the rhythm of crafting, as it can be a meditative experience that nurtures your spirit. Safety should always be a priority in your crafting endeavors. Familiarize yourself with the tools you'll be using, and make sure to wear appropriate safety gear. Understanding the proper techniques for handling sharp tools helps prevent accidents and enhances your focus on the creative process. A well-organized workspace can also contribute to a safer and more enjoyable crafting experience. As you create, consider incorporating elements of design that resonate with your personal style. Whether you prefer sleek modern lines or rustic charm, the beauty of what allows for endless possibilities. Experimenting with different shapes and finishes can lead to unique results that truly reflect your vision. This exploration can also inspire innovative solutions that transform everyday items into extraordinary decor.